Hello guys, now I'm going to show you, earlier I just opened my unboxing slime video and now I'm going to show you my favorites. My favorite is light blue and the rare one. But which one's better? I like the light blue one, so we'll put it back in the box. Let's open it. That was easy. Ooh, look at that. It's not water slime, but I don't think it's stretch. So we got this for free. Oh look, we got these. We got this for free. No legit lying. Told you it doesn't stretch. But you can stretch it slowly. It's not a water slime, but there is water in it. Water slimes are jiggly. This is not. But the texture is unbelievable. There's no sense to this, right? No. It's so like wet, but so good. Let's do a bubble. Try. Let's try, you guys. I don't think water slime can do bubbles because they're really wet. But I love bubbles about slime. I buy slimes not about to play with them, to like make bubbles. The bubbles like, oh my god, so good. Just like my mother's like, what? The bubbles are like it. I'm like, yeah, they are. Okay. Water slime don't really give ASMR. They just tear. Look at this. One, I just cut a piece. So yeah. One normal, like piece of slime. When it tear, it looks like I just cut it. But water slimes that are this texture can be cut. Oops, I just got one. I'll be back. Just watch my slime. That was quick. I found. I'm just like being like, no. Let's try to make food. I'll make chicken nuggets. I don't know why, but I'll make chicken nuggets. So first, I make the dough. I'm making the dough, you guys. I'm making the dough. But the dough is good. Don't know why. I don't like mixing colors. Then I have just like one big chunk of brown slime. Yes, every color make mouth. My dough is ready, you guys. You didn't see nothing. It looks so fancy. Now let's cut it. First, okay, I got my scissors ready. An orange one. First, we're gonna roll like a sausage, but a big sausage. Ooh, look, there's like chunks in there. It's long. I don't want to tear it. It's gonna fall out of the table. Okay. It's really long. I'll show you guys. Look, it's from here all the way to here. So it's almost like dropping off. Okay. Here. I'm gonna cut it. First piece. Doesn't look nice. So I'm gonna roll it. I'm gonna make pieces. Okay. I'm gonna poke nice. What's in there? Look at that. Doesn't look nice, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna make a shade. I'm gonna make a heart if I can. I think I can. It's just hard. I don't think I can. I mean, I could, but this is really hard. I'm gonna restart. This is normal cube, normal circle, I like to just flatten it. Then do the tip. It looks like a drop of rain. So I'm gonna use the scissors to make like a sharp end to it. That works so much. Ooh, a marriage. Wow, it's so cute. So pretty. Looks like the ocean. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Was this a sec? Yes. Did I cheat it? Yes. I cheated to make this. I didn't use my hands. I used this to make a sharper end. Okay. It's starting to go down. It's not flat. It's flat. What do I make? I make sushi. Ooh, I always do this. You make a square. No, you make a circle. But I don't know how to make it. It's really hard because it just stretches. Okay, I'm gonna do my best. Okay, we're just gonna pull everything to a ball. Like, yeah. Madonna. Okay, let's start again. Okay. That was so good. Look, I bit a piece off. Oh God. Just kidding. So I'm going to put this back. And take the photo. It sounds like pie. Wait, I don't hear that again. It sounds so weird. Hey, you guys? Mommy, look, hear this. Look. So, just now that was like fire, go. I'm going to make a big piece. Go there. That was disgusting. I got it wrong. Okay, so I kept it. So, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.